Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making the environment stable. Install an Open SteelSeries GG, sign in, and connect the headset or mouse via USB so communication is direct. Once done, confirm battery is at least 50% or keep the cable attached to avoid interruption. Firmware updates fail if power drops. Make sure other peripheral apps are closed so GG can claim the device. Now navigate to the Device tab in GG to detect your SteelSeries hardware. This is where the update process begins. You'll see an available firmware entry once your device is detected. Check the version number to confirm it's newer than what you have, because installing the same file is unnecessary. Click Update and let GG download and apply the firmware. This may take several minutes depending on file size and connection. Keep the cable secure and avoid system sleep. If multiple SteelSeries devices are present, update one at a time to prevent cross-communication. The app handles file transfer and verification automatically. Once GG reports success, restart the SteelSeries device and your computer so drivers reinitialize and settings load cleanly. This step ensures firmware hooks into the OS correctly. Then test buttons, sensors, and RGB to confirm everything responds, and reapply or restore saved profiles in GG. If something goes wrong, if the flash fails or device is unresponsive, disconnect and try a different USB port, reinstall SteelSeries GG, and retry the firmware. Those steps resolve most failures because they reset the communication channel and software state.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.